Going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's probably gonna be a little short little video. I'm gonna be doing my sunroof plug for the red RSX. It's been a minute since I've done anything on this car. It's been really hot and I've been doing a lot of stuff to the black RSX, but I need to get this plug on and I need to do something with my front bumper that I'll explain to you, and I need to put some stuff back on because I'm hoping next week the machine shop should be done with the motor. I've been saying this for a minute, but I told them before, you know, take their time. They've never really built a K-series motor like this, like the one I have. It's pretty intense build, so they've never done something like that. So they had to, you know, go out and do a little bit of research themselves, and, you know, call Drug Cartel and ask them some questions. But for the most part, I believe they're going to be doing a good job on it. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you this plug I got for this one, and then I'll jump in and show you how to do it, I guess. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty much drill and rivet. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and flip the camera. So I got fucking tires everywhere. So right now she's really dirty. I haven't done shit to it for, it's probably been several months since I've done anything to it. But I need to get the tires back on. I need to get the fenders probably back on. Eventually get the hood on. I don't know if I'm going to be dropping this motor in yet, due to the fact that I still got a lot of the bolt-ons to buy and a lot of that shit to buy. So I might just store it inside the house for now, the long block, until I can start piecing some of that stuff up, because I don't want to leave it out here underneath the sun, underneath the weather, because I don't have a garage. So I might just leave all this shit like it is, and then when I actually get to the point where I have my intake and header, intake manifold and exhaust manifold, I will go ahead and drop the motor in. That way it's at least protected from the elements for the most part, and then put the hood back on and fenders. But anyways, back to this. This is the Y&S. This is the Y&S sunroof plug. It's just black. It was like 50 bucks, 50 something and some change with shipping. It's just the pure black plug. Just basically gonna set it up here, figure out I'm gonna go, put my first drill mark in, put my first rivet in, and then probably go to that corner, drill that corner, put that rivet, and then go all the way around and do that. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and set up the camera and then watch me do that. Okay, yeah, like I said, I'm using 3/8 rivets with 3/16 drill bit, and you want the drill hole to be a little bit smaller. That way you have expansion for the rivet. So yeah, so 3/8 rivet, 3/16 drill bit, and you'll be fine. If you're going to use any type of gauge, bigger rivet, you got to figure out what drill bit you need to use. Always, like I said, go smaller on the rivet hole, on the drill hole. The way the rivet can expand. So yeah, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description on where to get these rivets. Like I said, they have a bunch of multicolors: white, blue, yellow, red, whatever. So I'll go ahead and leave that description down below. Alright, to rivet, you gotta have the rivet gun, of course. Pretty cheap, get them on Amazon. You got these three pieces right here that go on the end. It basically changes the gauge of the rivet, depending on if you go small rivet, big rivet, whatever. I'm running a 3/8 rivet. I will explain that in a little bit, what rivets and what drill bit you guys need for a 3/8 rivet. So basically, you got the hole drilled, you got everything drilled through. You're gonna go ahead and slide the rivet down. Oh shit, okay. Slide the rivet down like that. You're gonna grab the rivet gun. You're gonna put the shaft part in, and then you're gonna push down on the rivet, and then you're gonna squeeze the handle. I can't do this with two hands, but you're gonna squeeze the handles. It usually takes about 3 or 4 times, a lot of force, and that rivet will crunch basically inside. Inside right here is that rivet. When I push it down, it'll come through, and then it will like crunch up to the frame so that the rivet stays. Basically like how, I can't see how that one is, how all those are. So yeah, so yep, when you're doing this, you're gonna push down so that rivet goes all the way down so it can crunch. And then you're gonna squeeze the handle. You know, it takes about 3 or 4 squeezes. And then when it gets close to snapping the rod part off, you don't want to push down, you kind of want to push away so that you don't slip and scratch your Lexan. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, so like I said, you're gonna push it down and then start squeezing as you're pushing down. And right now that rivet inside is crunching. As you can see, it's putting pressure on the Lexan. And then when you get close to where it's going to snap, about the 4th one, go like that. And then right there you'll have your rivet in. And it either falls out, old rivet, this is an old rivet gun, so I'll have to push it out through there. That's pretty much that. That's how you rivet. Pretty easy. So I had to drill it out just a tad bit more just to get that rivet in. Anyways, so I'll go ahead and slide it through the hole. There we go. And then, like I said, once you just gotta push all the way down like that. So I'll go ahead and rivet these in. That I'm just putting here so it don't move around. I'll go ahead and rivet that one, that way it's in place, and then I'll measure, and then do all the rest of my drilling and rivets. And then I'll get back to the video once and show you the finished product. But I'll put this on a time lapse. So there it is, finished product. I will probably button this down on the corners. I ain't gonna do it right now, but yeah, it's pretty much done. The plug is in. It's freaking hot. I'm ready to go inside, but I wanted to hurry up and put this in and drop this for you guys. So yeah, that's it. That's done. That's that video, or that's that plug. So about the bumper thing I was gonna do, basically I'm gonna put this aluminum on the bottom part to close up that bottom end of it for aerodynamics. Basically what I'm using is this aluminum 10 inch by 10 foot long aluminum. I got it from Home Depot. Fuck, I think it was like 10-15 bucks, something like that. So basically I'll have to do some trimming and cutting, but basically I'll match it up there, basically roll it from here, go all the way to the other side, rivet it in, and that's it. So yeah, that's what the plans on the bumper. I was thinking about doing today, but like I said, it's hot and I'm lazy right now and I don't want to do it, so stay tuned for that video. Maybe I'll do it here in a couple days or a couple weeks or whatever. Also, I want to thank everybody who subscribed, who watched the videos. You know, I only got like maybe at this point of this video dropping, I got 60 subscribers. You know, the channel will be growing. It'll eventually grow to get to where it needs to get. I'm not doing this to make money off YouTube. I'm doing it just to, you know, have something that I can look back later on and be like, you know, I did this, you know, kind of like a history thing for me, kind of, you know, to look back on and check my progress on my build. And, you know, if later down the road I get to that point where I'm making money, great, you know, that'll be all dropped back into the race cars. But thank you to everybody who has subscribed, who watches my channel. You know, when this shit blows up, I'll remember you guys. I know some of you guys that have been there watching my shit, you know, I'll remember you guys later on when this shit gets blown up. But yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to say thank you a lot for giving me, you know, motivation to do my cars. Thank you for the people that, you know, comment and shit like that. And yeah, thanks to you guys, you know, thanks for the subscribers, thanks for all that. You guys are what makes shit happen. So yeah, so thanks again. All right, that ends this video for the sunroof plug. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and K all day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.